Hey, what's up, Rashay? Corey here. Real quick, I'm just gonna give you three free tips that you can actually apply to a website. If you don't have one, that's fine. We could just build one out for you. Not a big deal. But applying these three tips to your site, you're gonna notice a lot of traffic that's gonna start coming from it. Your phone actually start ringing, and you start building a business and having to hire and outsource and get some people busy. Yeah, whether you're looking for plumbing to get your guy plumbing moving or painting or electrical, whatever the case is, this is actually going to work with whatever you actually plug in and chase after those keywords, which I'll go over those keywords in just a minute. But the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So after we do build out that website, the first thing we want to do is make sure that we have a bunch of authoritative content, enough content that we can actually layer in those keywords, and those keywords are what people are actually searching for, and how we're actually going to be found as well. Now, I'll kind of give you an example here. If I go inside of Google and type in plumber Clifton NJ, this is what you're going to see. You have these Google ads here at the very top. These ads can get pretty pricey. I mean, I've seen these ads. I'm going to back out here. This is Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. I got a Roto-Rooter in there as well. But coming in, so here's the keywords on what they're actually being found for. Some of those cost per click is 35, 25, 35, 40 bucks a click. So those do get pretty pricey. So for somebody accidentally hitting those and no service comes from it, you know, they're getting charged $25 to $40 on average for every click. So as long as if those aren't optimized, those do get pretty pricey. They even have some ads coming at the bottom as well. A lot of people do have ad blockers, and ads have been getting really spammy. So a lot of people have been going away for ads, by the way. But underneath all that ads, we have this little organic section right here, or excuse me, this little map section. Right here, we can kind of come inside this map. We can actually see all the different businesses, and here's the little map of all those different businesses. But the top three is really where all the traffic actually happens. And to get into the top three, you're going to be doing a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. You got to make sure everything's correct, optimized, of course. But really what you'd want to do is come in and go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and completely annihilate them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. And then when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top right there because of all that work that you've done on that little Google My Business listing there in the map section. I'm going to come back out of here. And then underneath this map section, we have all that organic traffic. This right here is the first page of Google. And really to find your website or your pages here, you're going to be dealing with all that authoritative content, making sure you have enough keywords so you can have enough content so you can layer in those keywords. Those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're being found. And then also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's really drawing power so you can actually get on that first page of Google and actually bring those leads in coming off the first page of Google there. So not all backlinks are actually created equal. I took a Roto-Rooter, stuck them inside of Ahrefs. I'm going to do a quick overview. So they got one referring domain pushing back 8 backlinks. So not a whole lot of backlinking, but just from that alone is drawing in 55 clicks to their website. So if we go in and do more competitive backlinking, we can actually get a lot more traffic. We can actually come in and see what they're actually ranking for. So they're getting that much traffic out of all these keywords here. So plumbers Clifton NJ, there's 150 clicks a month. They're 6th position. So if we really focus on that one keyword and get the 2nd, 3rd position, we can really see about 10, 15, 20% of the total traffic. So coming in and really finding all the different keywords, whether it's plumbing, painting, and also making sure we're getting that traffic coming from it as well. That's really how you're going to grow that business and keep everybody busy as well. But anyway, I hope you saw some value in everything that I went over. I would love to put a custom game plan to help you and your crew out. Anyway, or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, give me a review, that'd be great. Talk soon. Bye.